We're about to enter one of the most iconic villas, completely designed and built by TopGestion, the developer of the Lomas Unique project, and as well here is a collaboration with the architect Ismael Merida. I want to show this house because it really represents what's it really capable of doing and how luxury can take it to the next level, because they also did a collaboration with the interior designer Pedro Peña from Marbella and Ismael Merida, the architect also from the Costa del Sol, and we are going to see it straight away. Let's come and check this spectacular house. We are walking by a 900 square meter plot, plus this massive 600 square meter built in the interior. We have a very beautiful garden, all made and designed to enhance this modern lifestyle with a lot of elements like water, stones, and natural material that you can see in the interior. Let's jump in and let's have a look. Let's enter to see this beautiful villa. We have a spectacular ceiling, more than 8 meters tall, and this massive window on the top of the ceiling all the way up that gives this luxurious, spacious lifestyle. That space is over 60 square meter plus a 45 square meter kitchen with the integrated island and a table. This is madera de nogal, so it's a bit darker wood that combines perfectly with the rest of the design. All the appliances is top of the line. This is Siemens, but we are speaking about the 2,000 euros induction kitchen, and the fridge is Neff. So we have an American fridge with double doors with the good top brands inside. So we are talking about a very good, spectacular kitchen in right next to the living space with the capacity to allocate more than 10 people for dining, for breakfast. I see a lot of natural light as well, and the gardens in the surroundings that give this beautiful ambience around the kitchen. In total, the house has interior of 600 square meters, 6 bedroom and 8 bathroom, and it's completely livable in the ground floor. Every single bedroom as well have access to a terrace or the outdoor space. I love that because in the garden you have this 20 square meter of a pool and this beautiful garden with muro de gaviones. This is a trend now lately on the Costa del Sol and in Spain. It gives you this beautiful material. It's actually a jail of rocks, but give you the style of a natural materials and a natural environment that looks really fine. Let's have a look to the upper floor. I love the stairs, industrial style, very modern, with the glass suspended steps, and give this wood, with this darker wood that imitates the natural materials and combines very good with the rest of the design of the house. Let's have a look to the master bedroom, because I believe that this is one of the very best parts of this house. I love it. They have a corridor that connects both bedrooms upstairs, and here you can see and enjoy this beautiful view. But when you enter your private space, it's like an explosion of emotions. This is one of the best and the most beautiful master bedrooms that I have ever seen. Really, really spectacular to see from your bed these amazing sea views with Gibraltar. On the clear days you can see Morocco as well, and you can have your private terrace. In total, the master bedroom, we are counting of a private space of 59 square meters in the interior of your private space. We have 24 square meters in the bed area with the desk, then another 17 square meters in the dressing room, plus the 18 square meter of a private bathroom. Have a look at this bathroom. Really a masterpiece of TopGestion. Porcelainic countertop. We have a private toilet area with the glass, and I love the shower. One of my favorite parts of the house is actually the shower. Look at this beautiful rain shower with space for 2 people, plus a bathtub with sea views. You can enjoy the bath, meanwhile you see the sunset on the sea. What I can tell you in this private space is like you can have, they thought about everything. You can have a space for your bags, you can have another space for your watches, your belts, and they have these retractile cabinets, right? Even in the little corners, they take care of every single detail of this room. We are talking about a 4-story house, and on the upper level, there is this massive solarium with plenty of space. You have enough to do a fireplace, you have enough to do some bathing. There is another special outdoor kitchen with all the appliances. You have a sink, a fridge, a barbecue, and of course, a very big dining table to invite all your friends and enjoy the sunsets on the clear, beautiful summer night. So this is one of my favorite areas of the house. But what we also count is with an elevator through the whole 4 stories. It's just missing to see one of the best parts of the house, which is the man cave and the basement. Let's go and see it. So let's have a look at this spectacular basement. Oh my God, who would not like to have such a thing in his house? We have a bar with everything included, even an ice machine to create your favorite cocktails. You have a fridge, a sink, you have all kinds of amenities in this house, right? In the sofa with this cinema room, you can put a big TV, invite your friends, and enjoy the night with your favorite ones. A little detail that is missing sometimes in this house is the fact that you can have indoor gym. Have a look of this impressive gym with the big glass to see your beautiful cars. Officially you can have space up to 2 cars, but actually you can fit 4 with the size of this massive underground parking with electric chargers already installed. But in the gym, what you can have here in this area, you can put all your favorite machines. The house is part of a community called The List, and you have very nice amenities in the community itself. You have a communal pool, a communal sauna, and a communal gym with bigger and more machines. But you can have your own machines, techno gym, the same like in the rest of the community, inside your own private space. That's cool. You also have this beautiful marble wall that inspires luxury, and also all the pre-installation to put a big TV. On the basement, there are another 2 bedrooms and a house at this price range. What you should have as well is like a space for the service, someone that could work for you, to cook for you, to clean the house and to maintain this big space. So basically you have another bedroom down here with a private bathroom and another extra room on that side with the washing machine that you can put a little kitchen in for the service of all the people who work for you. And on the other side of that service room, there is an extra bedroom that you can easily convert it into a work office. You can put here as well, I don't know, a guest bedroom to have it in here. And this is officially a bedroom because you can see it still has a window that gives natural light inside with its closet and his private bathroom also inside the bedroom. Every single bedroom with the ensuite bathroom. I think this villa is a great example what TopGestion is able to build when they align with the right people. And we have this perfect architect, Ismael Merida, is one of his masterpieces. I absolutely love this house. If you would like to come for a viewing, feel free to contact me. It's a really a must to visit if you have a price range. Write me in the comments, what do you think this price for this impressive villa? It's an absolute luxurious home. If you haven't subscribed yet, feel free to do it. My name is Santiago. I'm a local real estate agent here in Marbella, Costa del Sol, and I will be happy to talk to you if you're interested in finding a home here. Bye then, see you in the next video.